My name is Gabriela. I will be your science teacher today. I will be discussing different classification of animals. First, we have land animals like dogs and cats because they spend most of their time on land. Yung mga land animals, yung dog daw, yung aso at pusa, doon nakatira sa lupa. So, bawal siya sa land, water, bawal siya sa water. Next, we have water animals like fish and squid because they spend most of their time on water. Yung mga fish, sample fish, sa water daw nabubuhay. Sa water daw nabubuhay. Water animals, kunyari, fish, yan, mga ganyan, turtle, yan. And we also have land and water animals like crocodiles and turtles. They need to spend enough time on land and water for them to live. Yan. Land and water. Ang mga land and water daw, frog, turtles, crocodiles. Yan. Bawal. Pwede siya sa pwede siya sa water or land. I have here few examples of this that the class if they are land, water, or land and water animals. First, whale. There's water, land, water, or land animals. This is water. Snake. There are land, water. Horse.
Anong land, water yung snake? Land lang yun.
Horse. Crocodile. Land and water. Cat.
Shrimp. Oh, what type of animal is shrimp?
Water animals. Snail.
Snail is
land animals.
you look at the picture. Oh, what type of animal is a snail?
Land animals. Snail. Land and water. Frog.
What type of animal is a frog?
Land and water. Whale. Snake.
Finish na.